another episode of Roast Games. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross. We just got back from the Waco Police Academy, working over CPR and Stop the Bleeding training. If you would like to go over the training as well, the links will be in the description down below where you can learn more. But let's get into our hot topics, starting it off with it's Mardi Gras.
That's right.
It's finally here and I'm excited to live it up. So if you're in New Orleans, you know how to do it, live it up. But let's get into our hot topics. Starting it off with the latest South Park episode.
That's right. So South Park recently made an episode speaking about Kanye West, which we already knew that the Cartoon Networks were going to jump on this immediately. It was called Cupid Gay. If you haven't seen it, we'll put the link down below. But it was absolutely hilarious. They had him wearing, South Park character Cartman. He had the zip-up mask. And it just made jokes about Ye or Kanye West. But let's get into our next hot topic with Kelly Ripa and Martin Consuelos. So if you haven't heard about it, Ryan Seacrest is actually going to be retired from Kelly Ripa and Kelly and Ryan's show. But Martin Consuelos is going to be replacing Ryan, and it's going to be called Kelly Report. Ryan said that it's no bad energy. He's actually best friends with Kelly, but that this is going to be a good move for him. What do you think about that, Ivan?
You know, I agree with you. The energy is not the same when Mark is there. Mark is more serious, and Ryan was a lot more just playful. He was cheery. He wasn't really a threat, and especially for Kelly's relationship, since we know Kelly is scandalous.
That's right.
But we're looking forward to see how this is going to be. Maybe Mark is going to switch it up on us. He might be really good, or he might be the same as the last few times he was on there. We just won't know until he's there.
We never know. They might coach it up, they might play it differently, or they might go back to what they did before, where they'll just be switching out different people with Kelly. And maybe this is just an alleged news. We don't know for sure if Mark is going to be on there for sure, but we'll just have to wait and see.
It's true. I'm still going to say the best person on there was Lisa Rinna and Kelly Ripa. They should have brought back Lisa Rinna, especially since I think she's involved with some sort of producing or writing or something on the show.
And especially since Lisa Rinna has just quit the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills as well, that would be great for her since she can move in and start doing some Cosby stuff, especially since her energy is very high and alive.
That's true. But then again, Lisa Rinna might be trying to retire, maybe enjoy life to the fullest. But Dr. Ross and I can take over that spot of Kelly and Ryan. Call it Dr. Ross and IK, the morning show for you all.
That's right.
But let's get into our next hot topic with the latest episode of The Last of Us just released, and it's moving on to critical acclaim. A lot of people are saying that they love it, and some people are saying that they found a few flaws.
Oh wow.
But Dr. Ross and I, we watched it. What are your thoughts?
Personally, I really have enjoyed The Last of Us TV show. If you haven't played the game or at least heard of it, definitely go play it, or just go watch the show. It has Pedro Pascal and his co-star Bella, who they were actually, I didn't know that they were on the Game of Thrones together, so now they're coming back to do another show, and it's actually been a really good show. The storyline has been amazing, so go check it out. IK and I will hopefully be on the next Last of Us episode.
Exactly. But just let us know what you guys think about The Last of Us and all of our topics in the comments down below, and by leaving a like and a follow, because we want to know what you guys think. But let's move to our next hot topic with Madonna. So Madonna is now coming back at that granny criticism that she got months back, saying that her face is a little bit puffy from surgery. I don't know what to take on this one, but what are your thoughts?
I mean, I'm going to have to say personally, Madonna, if she was doing surgery, clearly her face would not be puffy. But Madonna, you do you, because IK and I don't have much to say about this topic, but we love you, Madonna, an icon.
Exactly. Keep on doing you.
And let's go into our next and final hot topic with our She's Hot Contest winner. Who's our She's Hot Contest winner for this week, IK?
Our winner for this week is Miss Amber Valletta.
Congratulations, Miss Amber Valletta, on your win for the She's Hot Contest.
Exactly. She deserves this win because she is a 10 out of 10.
That's right.
She looks hot. Keep on doing you, and congratulations on your win. But before we cut off all of our hot topics, I'd like to mention one last thing. And this one's been blowing up our news feed since yesterday. Dabrat at 48 has finally
It was around the time of the wedding that we started discussing it, decided to extend our family. It's been quite a journey. I'll tell you, there's a lot of stuff we learned about women that are over the age of 40 and fertility and infertility and IVF and all of that. So it's been a journey.
Yeah, I think it started out, it was almost a joke. It was a promo, and she was she had a new collection coming out with Kaleidoscope hair products. So we were like, we're extending our family, ha ha ha, right? Because she's like the genius with the creativity and stuff, right? So then we got such a huge response. It was like, oh my God, do we want to have kids? And if we do, girl, we better hurry up because I'm 48, and she's 40, 41 now. So we just went from there. Like, it was like, oh my God, like, because we talked about it earlier in our relationship, but we were so busy, like nonstop. We decided, you know what? If we're going to do it, we better do it soon, like now.
They are going to have a very happy family, and so we're going to be excited to see what comes next.
That's true. We're going to keep an eye out on this one, and we'll keep you guys posted because a lot of things are going to start developing soon. So make sure to stay tuned, follow, like, and hit that notification bell so you can stay with all the latest updates.
That's right. And if you haven't read any of our books from before, make sure to go down to the link down below and check out our books. One of our most popular ones is Taylor's Perfect Birthday, but we have many, many other books. We've got 27 other books, and IK is actually working on a book right now, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be called Body by Designs. We'll put the cover right here, and that is going to be an exciting book. That's going to be a longer, thicker book, and so we're excited to do that.
It's true. We're working on a ton of different projects. And remember, we have the Jamaican shampoo. If you're looking to get your hair with that look, that luster, the Jamaican shampoo is for you, along with all of the Jamaican accessories and Jamaican clothing products. The links are in the description below. And we know that you guys are waiting for this one, so we want to give you guys an update on Yeek. That's right, the Yeek storybook and the clothing line is going to be coming out soon.
That's right. So we're actually going to put the pictures right here. IK and I, the other day, were actually wearing our Yeek t-shirts, and as well as the Yeek comic book is up and available to purchase. We're going to put the link down below so that you can read it and enjoy it. But there's definitely going to be more books on Yeek, and it's actually going to be made into an adult TV series. So we're pitching that to HBO, Netflix, all the writers, Adult Swim, and you can say it.
As you can see,
the nightlife.
As you can see, people are getting out and they're getting wild